Do you find gardening enjoyable, but sometimes feel overwhelmed by all the work involved? Are you looking for ways to make your gardening life easier and more efficient? Today, we'll introduce you to top 8 smart gardening gadgets that will not only simplify your gardening tasks but also help your plants thrive effortlessly. From gadgets that automate the watering process to robots that take care of your lawn, these devices will revolutionize how you approach gardening. Stick around until the end to discover these must-have gadgets and make your gardening experience smoother than ever before. 1. Pico, the tiny smart farm. Let's start with something groundbreaking. Pico, the pocket-sized smart farm. This tiny device makes indoor gardening effortless by automating plant care. It takes care of watering, provides UV exposure, and even has built-in magnets so you can attach it to any surface. Pico is designed to grow herbs, flowers, and small vegetables with minimal effort. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced plant lover, Pico gives you the chance to grow fresh produce right at home without the need for constant attention. This self-sustaining device requires little space, making it ideal for apartment dwellers or those with limited gardening space. It even helps reduce your carbon footprint as it encourages sustainable growing practices. 2. EcoPower Plus Leaf Blower. Next up is the EcoPower Plus Leaf Blower, an electric leaf blower that's here to replace traditional gas-powered blowers. This blower offers a quieter, more eco-friendly alternative without compromising on power. With 580 CFM of blowing power, it can tackle even the toughest leaf piles and debris with ease. The EcoPower Plus is fully adjustable, so you can customize the blowing speed for different tasks, whether it's light leaf clearing or heavy-duty cleanup. What makes this leaf blower stand out is its noise reduction. Unlike gas-powered blowers that can disturb your neighbors, the EcoPower Plus operates quietly, ensuring peace in your garden and neighborhood. It's perfect for those who want a powerful tool without all the noise and fumes. Plus, its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing strain during extended use. 3. Honda Mimo, the robotic lawn mower. Imagine having a robot take care of your lawn while you sit back and relax. Honda Mimo is the world's most advanced robotic lawn mower, powered by AI to make sure your grass is always trimmed perfectly. This little robot can mow your lawn regardless of size, shape, or weather conditions, and it does so with impressive precision. It even knows when to return to its docking station to recharge itself automatically. The Honda Mimo uses random patterns to cut the grass efficiently, ensuring every inch of your lawn is evenly maintained. This robotic mower works day and night, rain or shine, so you'll always have a beautifully manicured lawn without lifting a finger. It also helps reduce your carbon footprint, as it's powered by electricity instead of gas. The best part? It operates with minimal noise, so you won't disturb the peace of your home or your neighbors. 4. Quick Drill for Garden Planting. Gardening tools don't always have to be complicated or expensive. Enter the Quick Drill, a manual garden drill designed to make planting easier without damaging your garden. This simple, lightweight tool allows you to drill small, precise holes in the soil for planting, ensuring that your plants are placed exactly where you want them. Unlike bulky electric drills that can harm the soil, the Quick Drill is gentle and efficient. It comes in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large, allowing you to choose the right one based on your plant types. Whether you're planting flowers, shrubs, or vegetables, this drill is versatile and perfect for any garden. It works great for both beginners and seasoned gardeners, as it simplifies the planting process while minimizing soil disruption. Plus, its compact size makes it easy to store when not in use. 5. Grove Garden. Looking for an eco-friendly way to grow food at home? The Grove Garden is an innovative self-sustaining ecosystem that combines fish farming with plant growing. In this system, fish feed your plants with their waste, while the plants clean the water for the fish. This natural, chemical-free cycle creates a thriving environment where plants grow without the need for synthetic fertilizers. The Grove Garden is perfect for anyone who wants to grow fresh, organic produce indoors without worrying about harmful chemicals. It's designed to be space-efficient and looks great in any home. It's easy to set up and requires little maintenance. Just feed the fish and watch your plants thrive. It also provides an excellent learning opportunity for kids, teaching them about ecosystems and sustainability. Whether you're growing herbs or vegetables, the Grove Garden makes it possible to enjoy homegrown food year-round. 6. EV Aqua Smart Sprinkler System. Say goodbye to complicated sprinkler systems with the EV Aqua Smart Sprinkler System. This simple gadget can turn any regular sprinkler system into a smart system, making watering your garden easier than ever. With just a quick attachment between your water tap and sprinkler hose, you can control your entire irrigation system via your smartphone. You can schedule watering times, adjust water pressure, or manually control it through the EV Aqua app. It's user-friendly and requires no complicated installation, making it an ideal option for anyone who wants to upgrade their garden care with minimal effort. It also integrates seamlessly with virtual assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control your sprinklers with just your voice. Save water and time by automating your garden's watering schedule, while ensuring your plants always get the right amount of hydration. 7. Terral Solar-Powered Weed Removal Robot. Weeds can be a gardener's worst enemy, but with the Terral Solar-Powered Weed Removal Robot, you can say goodbye to manual weeding. Powered by solar energy, Terral is an AI-powered robot that roams your garden looking for and removing weeds. It uses advanced sensors to identify unwanted plants and pulls them out of the ground, all without the use of chemicals. This eco-friendly solution not only helps keep your garden free of weeds, but also conserves energy by charging itself through sunlight. The Terral is efficient and works autonomously, meaning you can focus on other gardening tasks while it takes care of the weeding for you. It's a great addition to any garden, especially for those who want a low-maintenance, chemical-free way to keep their space weed-free. Over time, it learns which weeds to target, becoming smarter and more effective as it works. 8. Fighter Beam, the Smart Plant Monitor. Last but certainly not least is the Fighter Beam, a cutting-edge plant monitor designed to keep your plants healthy. This smart device is inserted into the soil of your plants, where it tracks various factors such as soil moisture, nutrient levels, light intensity, and temperature. The Fighter Beam syncs with a mobile app that sends you real-time updates on the condition of your plants. It will alert you when it's time to water your plants, adjust the light, or change the temperature. What sets the Fighter Beam apart is that it also educates you on how to care for your plants better. With detailed plant profiles and personalized recommendations, you will become a plant expert in no time. If you're new to gardening or just want to take your plant care to the next level, this gadget is a must-have. It helps you monitor plant health, ensuring that they are always getting the proper care they need. So there you have it, the top 8 smart gardening gadgets that can make your gardening life easier, smarter, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or beginner, these gadgets are sure to help you save time, reduce effort, and increase the overall health of your plants. If you're looking to make gardening more enjoyable and efficient, these devices are perfect for you. If you want to buy any of these gadgets, check the video description for links to grab your own. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Share it with your fellow gardening enthusiasts, and subscribe for more amazing tech solutions and gardening hacks. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!